Hi, I'm here with this TotalMount wall mount, and I wanted to see how easy this is to use and if I will trust my PS5 with this. I've been wanting to get the PS5 out of the way, out of my cupboard and onto the wall, so something like this could be very cool. So let's open that up and see what we get. We have like a little booklet here. Thank you for choosing TotalMount. Oh yeah, so it already looks pretty cool on there. Find a mounting location. Insert one screw. Screw to a wall near your TV, and then move the other screws. Oh, and there's a built-in leveler, so you can easily level this. That should be pretty easy to use. So just mount one screw in there into the wall. You get the screws with it. This one for securing your PlayStation, I think. A lot of screws with it, pretty long there. So that's nice. There are no wall plugs, so I'm thinking you should get those. This is only for like screwing this into wood. So you still need wall plugs. But this is pretty cool. So you can just screw one screw in, like the top one here, and then level that with this bubble indicator and leveler. So you're sure that it's level. This feels nice and sturdy and secure. So that's nice as well. It has these soft feet here that you can use. And then let's see what it says. Don't let go of the PS5 until the bottom screw is fully inserted. Yeah, no shit. Okay, so you have the PS5 Slim and the PS5 Pro that can fit on these. And then use a bottom screw to fit in there. PS5 cable ports face leftwards. Oh, you can choose whichever way you want to face the cables. So that's nice, and then you can use either one or two screw holes there to screw that into place on this side. So you can fit that on there. That's nice and secure, and then fastened with a little screw there at the bottom. So I think that's really nice that they included that. Some of these wall mounts don't have that, so this is a lot easier to use that way. And then a couple more commercials for they also have PS5 controller wall mounts. That's nice as well. So this is just a no-nonsense wall mount holder, quite easy to use, cool instructions. I wish they would have added plugs there so you're just done in one go. But if you screw this in like drywall or wood, I think you're good to go there. So pretty cool, and I really recommend.